to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery.
And I'm Aisling. I'm the boss. Hello, Joe. Did I give you a surprise?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Do you have a delivery for me?
Yes, I do.
Is it on my dizzy device?
Yes. You are going to the school to deliver some paper, yellow paint, and a book.
Okay, I'll go.
Joe, remember, wherever you go, there'll be someone to help you. Laurie May will help you with your deliveries. She is waiting for you at the school with her teacher, Niamh.
We're ready. Off to the school.
Hands up.
Hi, I'm Glenda. Welcome to our school.
Hello, I'm Joe. And this is Ozzy. And I have some deliveries for you. But I can't remember what they are. Paper, some paint, and a book. I have them on my bike.
Oh, there's the school bell. I must go to class.
Okay, Ozzy, I've some deliveries to make.
Let's love sign. School. School. You sign. School. Good. School.
Hello, everybody.
I'm Miss McCormack, and this is Laurie May.
Hello, Laurie May. How did you know who I was?
We are waiting on a delivery from Dizzy Deliveries. It's a special day, and we're making a present for our Principal, Glenda.
Ah, it's a surprise. This is a lovely class.
Today is a special day. We are making a book for our Principal, Glenda.
Oh!
It's going to be a book of pictures. We are going to paint the pictures.
You're going to paint a picture?
Yes.
You'll need paper for that. Wait here.
Some paper!
Thank you, Joe. Paper to paint the pictures.
Let's love sign. Paint. Paint. You sign. Paint. Good. Paint.
Can I paint a picture too? Yes! Great!
Laurie May, what's your favorite color? Yellow? We have no yellow!
I know. Wait here.
I got good news! I have some yellow paint!
That's blue.
Oh, it's blue!
You need to go get another one.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Hey, Ozzy, look at all these lovely paintings.
These are nice pictures, Joe. Principal Glenda is going to love them.
She will.
Look, there's Laurie May's picture. We were going to put them in a book, but we don't have a book.
A book? Of course, my final delivery. Wait here. A book? Why do you need a book?
We are going to put the pictures in the book.
Ah, a present for a great teacher.
But it's a surprise.
A present for a great teacher.
Let's love sign. Teacher. Teacher. You sign. Teacher. Good. Teacher.
Oh, thank you. More.
Listen to Joe.
Oh, more.
Great, now we can put the pictures in the book.
She's coming!
Get down, left side. Come on, left side. Come on.
There you are.
Principal Glenda, come and take a seat.
Come on, sit down.
We made this book to say thank you to you for being such a nice teacher.
Lovely. Thank you. Beautiful.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Principal Glenda.
And thank you for being such a wonderful class.
Oh, you goose.
Oh, beautiful. Who did that one? And thank you for being such a wonderful delivery man.
Thank you. Principal Glenda said I was a great delivery man.
Hands up.
Oh!